Hello everyone, Technomads here with another video, and today we are looking at time versus temperature. And we have two sets of temperature. We have the predicted temperature and we have the temperature that is measured by, say, your field sensors. And then we have the time duration with an increment of 1 all the way to 15. So to quickly select your data, like we looked at in the previous video, you can select any cell within the data set, hit Ctrl A and it selects the immediate data set. If you press Ctrl A again, you notice that it will now select the entire sheet. So in this scenario, just from the data set, head over to Insert, select the scatter chart, which is this over here. Now, hovering over each of the symbols, you notice that it will give you different provisions of what you can have. So this one just shows you the markers. This has a smooth curve with the markers, a smooth line without the markers, and etc. So this one is straight lines with markers across the different readings, and just straight lines across the different readings without the markers. So in this video, what we're going with is a smooth line with the markers. So just select that and you notice that now your chart is available. So you notice immediately that you do not have the axis titles. So to insert those, head over to the plus symbol at the top of your chart while selected, and you have the option to insert the chart titles. You can insert data labels, error bars, legend if you want that, if you don't want that. So in this scenario, where do we want them? Do we want them top, left, bottom? Let's put them at top or bottom. Most charts like it that way, and then a trend line either for temperature predicted or the degrees, whichever you want, just to show the overall progression in a straight line. We can add that in the next video. So with that now available, the next thing we can quickly look at our chart is the grid. You notice that you have the vertical bars and you have the horizontal bars. These are essentially what helps you visualize your data. You notice another thing, the scale here is 1:2 or 2:1 for the horizontal axis, and for the vertical axis we are using a scale of 1:10. You can always adjust the scale as you wish, maybe to increase the density of information, but if you do not have a huge data set, sometimes going for a larger scale is better. So one quick thing, now let us edit our chart. Heading over here, just type in temperature versus time, hit enter, it populates that for you. Come here, just put in time in seconds, enter, and then finally as for the temperature, where's this? As for the temperature, let's put that in finally in degrees Celsius. So we can insert the degree symbol later on in the series, but that is essentially how you create a chart. Now to format the chart, maybe to change the colors, to resize it, you can use the dots, this at the point where your mouse button or your cursor turns into a double-headed diagonal arrow, or for the horizontal adjustment, double-headed horizontal arrow, and the same for the vertical adjustment, just to help you visualize your data as well as you possibly can. That is how you adjust, and that's how you simply insert a chart within your Excel workbook. Now in the next video, what we're going to be looking at, we are going to focus on the design, how to adjust the layout, how to adjust the colors, how to increase the density by adjusting scale, and etc. If you like the videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Catch you on the next one.